Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and curled the wig, and I have a link. I'm gonna put the link to how to curl your hair down below. So here I'm gonna just pull the hair into a section and brush it all up into a ponytail. And then after that, the reason why I'm pulling it into a ponytail is so that it's easier for me once I put the wig onto my head. I don't have to do that. But that didn't work, so I had to section it off in little sections and brush it up into a tight ponytail. And like, you want to get a really good brush, like a toothbrush will work, but like I recommend using like one of those, you know, those brushes you use to brush all your hair up in a ponytail? That's what you need. One of those hard brushes to get it up in like a really nice sleek ponytail. Now that I'm done pulling the hair up in a ponytail, which was a very long process, I'm going to spray Got To Be Glue all over my edges so I can place the wig on. And also the video to how I curl my hair is going to be attached below, and so is how I got this bald cap method. I'll take this and I'm going to spray it around my edges. Whew, this thing is so cold. And it runs, literally just drips down your face. And I'm gonna spray a second coat. Start doing like chit chat tutorials, so that way we don't have like these awkward silences and stuff, you know, because I like to talk, but I don't know like if the people that follow me and like watch my videos, if they want to hear me talk or not. So yeah, you guys just let me know down below like what you want to know or anything like that. Like, I'm pretty new to this YouTube thing, so I'm just having fun and trying to see what can happen. So I'm going to take my wig, and this is my wig right here, and I'm going to place it on here. Oh my god, this thing dried already. So I'm gonna like loosen up the ponytail because I think I pulled it up too tight. And I'm gonna place the lace. I'm gonna spray just a little bit over here because it dried up by the time I got around to putting it down. And as you can see, my lace is so flipping white, but I'm gonna fix that, don't worry. I wish these people would make brown lace. Like, why can't you make brown lace? You know? The girls using this hair, majority are brown. Like, this is like not even like light skin brown. This is just pale. Yeah, so little key point, do not let your Got To Be Glue gel dry. So make sure you get it on there before it dries up on you. Make sure you have your wig on before it dries up on you, I mean. So I'm gonna pull this back down at the back because it's not down, because I just threw it on. What it looks like to have a smaller forehead. Yo, this works. Like, using this got to be glue spray alone
works really well. Like, I'm pretty amazed. And it works really fast too. I think that's what I really like, because like when I use the regular Got2b glue, I be having issues. I do. The only thing is, like, I don't see YouTubers doing this. When they do theirs, they don't have to touch it up. And like, this thing dries so fast. And like, actually spraying the Got2b glue on top helped the lace. As you can see, like, the lace doesn't look as white as it does over here. Okay, so like, I'm gonna do my baby hair, and I'm gonna tie my edges down so that I can like fix up this shebang right here. So let me plug in my curling iron, and I'm just using Eco Styler for my baby hair. I hate it. I'm gonna try to make it as minimal as possible, because I really don't want that much baby hair. Especially when your hair is gonna be pulled up. You don't want all that. Just to like help the lace and my skin just disappear into each other. That's why I'm doing this baby hair. Like this, you know. Take my scarf, and I'm gonna just tie this down right here while I fix the ponytail. So I'm gonna like take a little bit of Got2b gel, like the smallest amount, like this much, and just like kind of help me to like get this stuff to lay really good. Yep, that worked over there. Let's see if it'll work right here. I think one tip that I can definitely give is that like the hair in the back that you know you're not gonna like be working with, go ahead and like pull it in a ponytail, so that way it's not in the way when you're like trying to pull your hair up. Because like, I feel like every time I try to grab my hair, I grab some hair from the back. But you live and you learn, don't you? Okay. Ponytail holder, and just pull this back for now. And now that I have my ponytail, I'm going to take the brush and I'm just going to slick everything back, make sure it looks good. And then now, because my ponytail looks pretty thin, I'm going to take some hair, this is just some random hair that I had. And I'm going to attach it to this ponytail to make it just a little thicker. So I'm going to take a little piece like this, and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail first. And then I'm going to take this and just wrap it around. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna take off the scarf and my ponytail. Oh, stuck. And this is our final look. I'm just gonna add more curls to it and we'll be done very soon. Yeah, all my curls, I didn't want tight curls anyway, but like the curls are kind of gone. So I'm gonna add just a few curls just to make it pop. I'm gonna brush the hair out because it's been through a lot. Couple in the front, like on a very perimeter. This is why like I curl the hair beforehand, is because like I don't want to have to curl everything from fresh once I put the see, like I still have my curls down here. Once I put the wig together, I don't want to have to curl it from scratch. I just want to be like able to like add a few curls in and be done. And that's all I'm doing because I'm not going anywhere. Like if I was going out, I would do everything. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not gonna stress myself. And this is the hair. I wanna like just mess it up, make it a little messy, because that's what it's supposed to be. And voila.
It's G worldwide.
Let me hold ya, put me and jump around ya.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you would like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video.
You know that you know nice.